Okay, y'all, my camera stopped recording, so I'm gonna start back where I left off at. And then I'm gonna change the subject. I just wanted to talk about how personal stuff is, and people put it on social media as if it's like they bought a new pair of shoes. I like how the Indians are. There's no photos, stuff like that. They feel like it captures your spirit. I might be wrong, but I think I'm accurate. They don't really do photos and stuff like that of their loved ones when they pass. And I think that's something that all cultures should pick up on because it's private. But anyway, this is so good. It is delicious. Last night, me and my mother-in-law was hungry. Mind you, it was 10:30 at night, and we decided to hit the drive-thru at Burger King. I was going to record it, but I decided not to. But Burger King on to something new. I love veggie burgers. I'm not kidding y'all. I'm gonna do a video on the Impossible Burger, but I have to try it. And let you guys see. But I'm gonna let my son taste it. I let him tell y'all what he think, because I already like it. And I don't want to feed y'all no information that ain't accurate. I can't wait to go to Atlanta so I can try Slutty Girl Vegan. I heard them burgers are to die for. This is delicious, y'all. Don't be afraid to get in the kitchen and cook your own meals. It'll help you keep up with what's in it, how it's being prepared, because you don't know what people do. Especially when you take your food back and your burger end up being wiped up across the floor. Ain't nothing like getting in that kitchen and making your own food. Even though I love going out to eat, because sometimes, like now, when you cooking and you tasting, you'll get full fast. And you won't be able to finish all your food. I've had that happen to me a lot. But contrary to much what people like to think, I get full quick anyways. I'd be surprised when people can eat a lot. I had to drink some water. If I'm not mistaken, this time that's on the other side of my camera, it's my cutoff. And it says 6 minutes and 46 seconds. water, boy. Y'all sleep on water. The best thing you can put in your body is some water. But my time is running out, y'all. Thank you for joining me. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like. Share. I can't stress that enough. I'll be back to you tomorrow, hopefully, with my unboxing of my wig. I decided to do a mukbang instead, but I will be back to you guys with the unboxing of my wig. So please, please, please stay with me. Have a blessed day. Bye.